Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your time on YouTube. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use iPhone. So if you are using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So first, you want to open your YouTube app and then go ahead and click your profile on the upper right side of your screen and then click settings. And then here we just need to click privacy. You want to click general. And then here you can see the first section, it says that remind me to take a break, and the second one is remind me when it's bedtime. So you can just turn that on so you can set a break, the duration of your break. So you can choose up to 23 hours. Okay, so after you've done that, just go ahead and click OK, and here remind me when it's bedtime. So just switch that on, and then you can set your bedtime. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click OK. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.